Alright, welcome back my dear student. In this lecture here, we're going to be adding the link to go to the add user page. Make sure that you have that in your templates and then in your back folder right here. And you should have just dragged all that um, from where we did it in the beginning. Alright, so you should have the add underscore user.php and the edit underscore user.php. Alright, you should have those files available. We click add product. All right, we see that we go somewhere else. All right, so to make sure that we click that link, we fix that link on the add user page. Actually, not add user page, on the users.php page. There is this link right here, and we'll just go and send this to index.php with a parameter of add user. And we need to go to the index and make sure that we do that too over there in admin. Right here. All right, we don't have add user, so we'll add it right here. Come back here and we say if it's set add user, then we'll go to the add user.php page. All right, and then the reason why I'm doing it faster, guys, is because we've done this already many times, so you should be accustomed to that. And if I am going a little fast for you, pause the video, rewind it. All right, by this time now you should get all this that I'm doing. The reason is because first, you should have some knowledge from PHP basics, and if you did, everything we did in the beginning you already know. All right, but anyway, it doesn't matter. If you have any questions, just ask me. All right, so let's go to our site navigation. Site nav right here, and then we got users right here. All right, so I was just checking something out. If I click here, this is gonna take me to the add user page. Beautiful. All right, we're gonna be making this little icon bigger later right now, but we are more focused on what we can do here. All right, so we're gonna be doing something very similar to what we've done before, and you probably are going to do this yourself super fast. Now we got some fields here that you could leave it if you want to, or you can make those columns in the users table. If you want to grab the first name and the last name of the user that you have in your application, you can put them here. All right, super easy. But anyway, let's go to our functions, and we have displaying users. Let's create another function real quick, and this one will be add user. All right, so we're gonna check is set, and I want you to code with me. If you stop because I'm coding too fast, just watch the video and then go back and code it yourself. All right, or just pause the video and do it before I even do it, so that way you can get used to that too. All right, add user. Once we detect that, of course, we'll do some processing. We'll bring all those values from the post super global like this, and we'll bring, of course, the username, and we'll bring the email. We'll update the email, and we even update the password. All right, one thing to do here is to escape this information. Escape string. All right, so I'm just gonna go like this here a couple times. There we go, and make sure I wrap this in with another parentheses, and I'll use this same name right here for a variable. There we go. I just use email here, and then password. There we go. All right, that's looking really good, right? All right, perfect. So once we have that, the next thing is to actually transfer the picture. We're gonna say we gotta get the image actually, right? So we get the user photo, and we'll escape it. Escape that too. Why not, right? Files. It'll say file, the name of the image right here, and we'll also say the user temp, image temp right here, or photo temp. All right, and this would be TMP for the temporary location of the file in the server. All right, so the file name here, we'll put the photo temp. All right, and we'll put the destination, and actually we have something already for that somewhere right here. I think we're using a function to do this for us. Let, let, let me see if we're using a function for that. Picture. All right, this function will display where the image is. I'm tempted to use this, but no, that's fine. Let's do how we have done it before. Move. Let's find another upload it, and we can copy that. Upload directory. There we go. Let's go to user. Copy that here. Paste. All right, and this would be user photo. There we go. All right, perfect. That looks good, right? All right, so we have made a lot of improvement here. You can pause it, all right, and take care of this. I'm gonna finish it. I'm gonna finish this. All right, so let's finish this and do this here. I'm doing it fast because there's something that you already know. Insert into, hopefully you already know this, into users. All right, and the values, super simple. We'll get in the username. That's what we got in the inside, or that's why I like to name it the same, that way you can just copy and paste. Email, we'll get a password in there, password, and we'll get the photo, and we'll just copy all this, paste it right here, and put some curly brackets and quotes around it. And I'm just going to, I don't like, let me just take that out. There we go. I'm just gonna put this in all of them, and then I'll do the other half. All right, this is the other half. Copy, paste. There we go. We shouldn't have any mistakes. Let me make sure that you have your $sign there too. There we go. Alrighty then, beautiful. That's coming out super nice. Let's confirm this. Query. All right, so that is supposed to create a user for us, and of course we could set a message and say user created. All right, and we could redirect back to index.php users. All right, so in the next lecture, we'll test this out, and if we have a problem, we'll debug it. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one.